Great snoring. Once upon a time, I was going to my grandfather's house. We even had to pick my cousin brothers. Suddenly, it started to thunder and lighten. We were very scared. And then a noise started coming from an engine. We thought that would we reach safely to our grandfather's house? And suddenly a very loud noise started to come, and we thought the car was about to break down. Then my little brother woke up and the sound stopped coming. Then we thought the sound was of the snoring of my little brother and not of the engine. We started to laugh very loudly. Thank you.